Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to create a Mumble server. We'll guide you through the entire process, from initial setup to connecting your first users. Mumble offers low latency, high-quality voice communication, perfect for gaming or team collaboration. By the end, you'll have a fully functional server ready for your community. Let's dive into the steps to get your Mumble server up and running smoothly. To begin, you'll need to install the Murmur server software, which is the backend for Mumble. Most Linux distributions, like Ubuntu or Debian, make this straightforward using their package managers. Simply open your terminal and execute the installation command. After installation, confirm that the Murmur service has started successfully. This ensures your server is ready for the next crucial configuration step. Once your basic setup is complete, you can start creating individual stock items. Each item needs a descriptive name, an optional alias, and a unit of measure. Assign these items to their respective stock groups, and for more granular control, use stock categories to classify them by attributes like size or color. Remember to enter the opening balance for any existing stock, including its quantity and rate, to ensure your inventory records are accurate from day one. With your server configured, it's time to connect. Download the Mumble client, then add your server's IP address and the default port, which is 64,738. Create a user certificate for secure authentication. For optimal performance and security, remember to keep your Murmur server software updated. Enjoy clear, low-latency voice communication with your friends and community.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.